Well, tappers, feet only today. Welcome to Tap Dance Down Under. We have 3 beginner steps. So it's beginner tap today, 3 steps for you. Starting off with tap springs, one of the most essential, important steps you have to learn. So there's 8 of those: toe heels and knock heels. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, let's turn around. Now, tap springs. Hit 1, hit 2. Really work on getting those clean. Not, oh, I see all sorts of variations on the theme there. So, but aim for clean, clear, crisp beating. Your ankles are nice and loose. You're nice and spongy in the knees. So 8 tap springs, now 4 toe heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you want, you can move them forward, move them back, move them sideways, do whatever you want. 4 toe heels. Then the last part, knock, heel, brush, feet, knock, heel, brush, feet, beat, beat. So it's 2 triplets there, and then 7, 8 to finish off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the repeat, we simply do a flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So put it all together, have a look. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we're set to go off on the left side. So here we go. Right side, left side, at a nice medium tempo. 5, 6. Think of something like American Patrol, or a good old standard like that, or In the Mood, something, yeah. Anyway, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it. I'll do it front camera. Join in with me, and but I'll start on my left side so that you still start on your right side. So it's mirror fashion. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, beat, beat. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, beat, beat. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thank you for watching today.